fun facts about poodles. Poodles originally came from Germany, not France, as many people believe. Poodles were originally bred as water retrievers for duck hunters. They come in 3 sizes: standard, miniature, and toy. Poodles are highly intelligent and are ranked as the second smartest dog breed in the world. They have a hypoallergenic coat that sheds minimally, making them a popular choice for people with allergies. Poodles are commonly used as show dogs and have won Best in Show at the Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show 4 times. The unique clip of a poodle's coat was originally developed to help them swim more efficiently. Poodles are often used as therapy dogs due to their intelligence and loyalty. The poodle's name comes from the German word Pudel, meaning to splash about. Poodles have been popular with royals and celebrities throughout history, with famous poodle owners including King Louis XVI and Elvis Presley.